Hello and welcome to Nyam Nyam. We're making superhero cakesicles! They are so easy to make and look fantastic too. You just need a few basic ingredients and food colouring to suit each character. We've got Batman, Wonder Woman, Flash, and last but not least, Superman! Start by melting 100 grams of white chocolate and popping in your food colour. We want red, light orange and grey. Start by pouring the melted light orange coloured chocolate into 2 of the popsicle moulds. Then pour in your melted grey coloured chocolate, and then red. Half filling each one, swishing them around a bit to cover all the sides. Now chill for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, make your cake filling. We want 400 grams of butter cake all crumbled up. And then mix in 200 grams of cream cheese. That's going to make your cakesicle filling. Super easy. Excellent. Now using your fingers and thumbs, just pop those into each mould, filling almost to the top. Spreading evenly. Then just pop in your sticks. And pour on the remainder of your melted coloured white chocolate. So we've got grey for the first one. Then it was light orange. Also for the last one. You can use a spatula to spread it evenly. And finally, red. Excellent! Chill those for a further 30 minutes. And once they're set, you can carefully remove them from the mould and decorate using fondant icing. Batman! Wonder Woman, Flash, and Superman! Looking a bit sad there. Don't worry, Superman, we've got your back. So, who's your favourite superhero? Hey, watch out, Flash! It's pause for thought with Cat and Dog Cakesicles. Start by melting some white chocolate. Split it into 2 bowls and add ivory food colour to 1. Get some popsicle moulds and pour in your melted ivory chocolate, spreading it out with a spoon. Do the same with the melted white chocolate for the other 3. Now refrigerate for 30 minutes and meanwhile add vanilla cake crumble and cream cheese to a bowl. Mix them together. Now using your fingers, press down some cake mixture into each mould. Add in your popsicle sticks. And pour on the remainder of your melted chocolate, starting with ivory, and then the melted white chocolate. Spread it out evenly and refrigerate for a further 30 minutes. Once it's set, you can remove it from the mould and add fondant decorations to create your dog or your cat. Using a variety of colours and designs. And there's our tomcat. That's how easy it is to make cat and dog cakesicles. Get creative and enjoy. Avengers Cakesicles Part 2. If you've seen Part 1, you're going to love this. They're so easy to make and great for a themed party. And let's not forget, they certainly bring out the artist in you. You get to create some of your favourite Avengers characters. Thanos, Iron Man, Ant-Man and Thor. Let's start. Mix together 400 grams of butter cake and 200 grams of cream cheese. That will be your cake filling. Next, melt 100 grams of white chocolate and split into 4 bowls, adding food colour to each. We've got purple, beige, grey and red. Pour each colour into a popsicle mould, generously covering the bottom. Then tip the mould to cover the sides. Chill for 30 minutes, and once set, you can add in the cake mixture. Use your fingers to press it down. And fill in all the gaps. Add popsicle sticks in the bottom. And then pour on the remainder of your melted coloured chocolate. Spread it out to cover all the cake mixture. Then chill for 1 hour. And your cakesicles are ready to remove from the moulds. Let's decorate, starting with Thanos, using purple, yellow and red fondant. Next is Ant-Man with those red eyes. Then Thor. Don't forget the hammer. And last but not least, it's Iron Man with some yellow and blue fondant. And there you have it, Avengers Cakesicles once again. Why not give it a go and create your favourite delicious characters? Enjoy!